King Default. Oh, King Default right there. There's one in there. There. There, baby. Not in there. There, go there. There's another one there. See that green there? You see the green in there? See that? Oh, there's another one. Purple. There, baby. There, baby. Find the, here, baby. Come here, baby. Here. Baby. Here. You're looking for the egg, the golden egg here, baby. Here, I see it. Oh wow, here, baby. Baby, here, in the tree. Find it in the tree. Come on. Find it in the tree. Then look at the tree. Find it in the tree. Here. Find it here. Look. Is there any egg in there? What else? Find out. Yeah, get it. Can you find it? It's gone. There's another one. There's a purple here. Come here. There's a purple. There. Oh, look. Find the egg. The golden egg. You find the golden egg. Find the golden egg, baby. Find the golden egg. Right there, the golden egg is there. Oh, there's more here. Come here. Yeah. See that? Yeah. Find more. You find more. Where is the golden egg? That's what they are looking for. It's $33. Maybe it's in the house or at... Where is it? Not yet. No one find it.
I can't find it.
Uh-oh. Where's the golden egg? Where's the golden egg, baby? Find it. Find it. Uh-oh, she's looking for the golden egg. Daddy. It's okay. Just go. Just find the golden egg. Maybe it's in the... Uh-oh, she's looking for the golden egg. Find it. Where is the golden egg? Not in there. Maybe it's in there. Maybe it's in here. Find it. Maybe it's right there. Maybe it's right there. Step in there. Oh, nothing in here. You can't find it. Just step. Like that. Nothing. You just go. Oh, no. Nothing. It's here. The golden egg. Step. No, not the golden egg there. Oh, how many you got? Oh, wow. Look at me, B. Look at mommy. Hi. Babe, come here. Baby, dirty. Ew. Look at that. It's yuck. Get your... Oh, you got a lot of eggs. Wow. That's a lot of eggs. Oh, there is one. Come here. Oh, we'll get it. Oh, you want? Come here. Yeah. rob Kuya the golden egg. Where will I find more? Find more eggs. We will find that golden egg. Can we find the golden egg? Huh? Huh? Oh, fine. Maybe they put it up at the bottom. There. Oh, not in there. The bunny did not put the golden egg there. Don't put your golden egg everywhere. Maybe it's in here. Not in here. Don't open it. Don't open it. Maybe it's in there.
No, there's one up there. Does she have 12?
12. It should be 12. Right there. It's in there. Find it here. Maybe it's here, baby. Oh, there's a egg in there. Nothing. Oh. Go. Here, baby. Here, find it here. Not in here. Oh. Find it here. Oh, not in here. Not in here, baby. Where's the egg? Where's the golden egg? Yeah, we're looking for the egg. Rescue. Yeah, we need to find the golden egg. Where is that? Somebody get it already? Maybe somebody get it already. Put in there. Now let's go. So let's find the golden egg. Find the golden egg. Maybe it's in the mailbox. Here. It's in there. Oh, not in there. Here. Not in there.
I tried to know there's
Nothing
nothing in
in there. Nothing. Somebody found it? Wow. Who get it? Oh, that's good. Congratulations. Somebody get it already. It's okay. You got more candies? Show it to them how many you got. Show it to them how many you got, huh? And they will divide. Daddy, look at it. No, they need to count it. It should be 12 each kid. And if there's something there. Let's go. Look at that. Yeah, let's go. They will count the eggs. Let's go. Count the eggs and then let's go. Let's bring it in. Count the eggs. They will count your eggs. They will count the eggs, right? They will count. How many you got, Kuya?
We got 12.
How many you got, Haley? Count yours, baby. Count. 1, 2. Wait a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's already 12. Wait, how many you got? Israel, how many you got? How many you got? Is it exact? Give the rest to Christine. Give. He got 13. So give 1 to Christine. This one, this is,
What?
I don't know, something in there.
Not doing. I don't know,
Something.
No, there's something.
Nothing.
It's a sticker.
Oh, it's a sticker. Maybe he only got all stickers only. He's opening. She's opening it. Yeah. Open. Oh, she got all the stickers only. Uh-oh, sorry, baby. She got only stickers. Try to open. I think that's all stickers. It's okay. You have gained this too. Oh, wow. Say thank you. You have to tell him thank you. Oh, she got candy. Oh, she got yo-yo. Wow, you got it. Oh, she's the one who got the golden egg. Wow. That's for her.
No, don't post it on YouTube.
It's her. You're right. Don't get crazy. We're here. We're having fun. Dude, it's here. Throw this. Yeah, we still have in there. Not the hot dog, but the buns only left. Yeah, I ate.
You ate that?
Yeah, that's in there. Oh, don't forget your basket.
Look at in there. Nothing in there.
Nothing in there. It's all sticker.
Oh, wow, you got it.
Yo. Oh, what's that?
You gonna share with your brother? He's looking like he's sad over something. He's gonna try.
No, he can share it. They can share each other. Eat that, kuya. Wow, it's a lot in there. Share it to kuya. So much money.
You get the candy?
Starburst. love it. Go together with her. Oh, so pretty. Oh, there, baby. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh, smile. Cheese. Alo, go pa. Oh. She's sitting down there and smiling. Oh. Smile. What are you cooking? Apple. Cooking apple. She's cooking apple, Daddy. Huh? You're busy cooking?
Yes, my cooking.
Where are you going? Smile, big smile. Smile. Look at mommy. Cute. Go down. Go, put your brother is in there. Hey, Smile, sa smile. You did not smile. Down. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Cooking for you.
Oh, good. Wow. That's my big sister. You get?
Right there. Get the candy right there.
Baby, do you love all those eggs you got? Wow, do you enjoy your extra egg hunting? Yeah? Wow, you really got a lot of... There's more in here. There's more in here. Ooh.
Breaking down over there.